What if you could control the built-in LED of your ESP32 board using Bluetooth directly from your mobile phone? No words, just Bluetooth. In our last video, we explored how to connect the ESP32 by Wi-Fi, but now we are taking it a step further. We'll learn how to connect the ESP32 with Bluetooth and control it using the built-in LED with the app IoT App Inventor. Well, we have already done something similar using Arduino Uno and HC05 Bluetooth module with a custom app in MIT App Inventor. Remember this? This is how we control an LED using Arduino and our mobile phone. But what if I told you, you don't even need the HC05 this time? The ESP32 has a built-in Bluetooth. Today we will control the onboard LED of an ESP32 using the same mobile app we created earlier in the MIT App Inventor. No extra modules needed. Here's what we will need for this project. One ESP32 development board, one mobile phone with Bluetooth, a micro USB cable, and your existing MIT App Inventor Bluetooth app. We are giving the link in the description below to directly download the app. If you want to learn how to build this app step by step and how to use MIT App Inventor, you can check out the video by clicking on the I button above. No need for external components like resistors or LEDs. We are going to use the built-in LED on GPIO2. Now download the code and library files given in the description below. Open the code file if you have already downloaded the Arduino IDE, otherwise download the Arduino IDE first. The first line of code includes the BluetoothSerial library. This library is crucial because it enables Bluetooth communication for the ESP32, allowing us to send and receive data over Bluetooth. Here we created an instance of the BluetoothSerial class named BTSerial. This object will handle all Bluetooth communication for the ESP32. We'll use it to send and receive message from a connected Bluetooth device like a smartphone. This line defines a constant LED pin which is connected to GPIO2 on the ESP32. This pin will be used to control the built-in LED on the ESP32 board. This initializes serial communication at a baud rate of 115 to 00. This allows us to monitor the ESP32's output on the serial monitor in the Arduino IDE. This starts the Bluetooth communication with a device name ESP32_LED_control. This is the name of your phone or another Bluetooth device you will see when trying to pair with the ESP32. This sets the LED pin GPIO2 as an output pin so we can control the LED. This ensures the LED is initially off when the ESP32 starts up. This sends a message to the serial monitor indicating that the ESP32 is ready to pair with a Bluetooth device. This checks if there is a data available to read from the Bluetooth connection. If data is available, it enters the if block to process the incoming data. This reads the incoming Bluetooth data as a string until it encounters a new line character, which is sent when the Bluetooth app or device sends a message. This removes any extra space or new line character from the received command, ensuring clean data. This prints the received command to the serial monitor for debugging purposes. Now the program checks the value of the command. If command equals to 1, if the command is 1, it turns the LED on by setting LED pin to high and send a response back to the Bluetooth device saying LED is on. Else if the command is 0, it turns the LED off by setting LED pin to low and sends a response saying LED is off. Else if the command is neither 1 or 0, it sends an invalid command message back to the Bluetooth device. Now we'll upload the code to the ESP32. Plug your ESP32 into the computer using the USB cable. Select the correct port ESP32 dev module. Then go to the tools, select port where your ESP32 is connected. As for example, COM4. Now click the upload button, the right facing arrow. If you see connecting ... just hold down the boot button until it starts uploading. Once uploaded, open the serial monitor and set the baud rate to 115 to 00. Open Bluetooth setting on your smartphone and scan the device name ESP32_LED_control. Pair with it. Open USC on your phone and connect to the ESP32. Once connected, press the on button. The LED on your ESP32 lights up. Press off and it turns off. Boom! Wireless control achieved. No extra module required. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching our tutorial.